Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 570 model, and it's in great working condition. It's used, but it works great. The battery is brand new, so you're gonna get long life with this battery. And so here we got some manuals and quick start guide and some warranty papers or whatever you need. Got 2 side brushes here, brand new. 3 brand new filters. Got the 2 virtual wall lighthouses here. Great condition. Got a docking station, charger, or home base, whatever you want to call it. Looks great. Got the charger right here. Power supply. Alright, here's the iRobot Roomba 570. Here's the front of it, the bumper. Alrighty. Now flip it over. You can see it all. So I got a side brush right here. It's been fair. It's pretty fair condition. Got the front wheel caster right here. It's pretty good condition here too. Okay, so I got the brushes here are in great shape. They work great. Okay, so all of my Roombas that I got, they're all clean and disinfected. So get a nice clean one. Alright, so I got the beater brush here and the bristle brush. They're in great shape. We got dustbin, vacuum bin right here, all cleaned out, disinfected. There's the serial number if you need to see it again. Alrighty. So I'll just turn it on. So you see it works great. Alright, thanks for watching, happy bidding.